Hi guys, as promised, I am back with the same image and we are going to see how to remove people from this photograph using GIMP this time. The last video was about doing it with the Magic Eraser tool, which is available unfortunately only for Pixel users and exclusively I think Pixel 6 users. So if you don't have that and you want to remove people with GIMP, this video I'm going to be using the same image. Now there's a few different ways to do this here. I'm going to show you both. Actually two of them. You can use actually more than that, but these two seem to work the best. So the first one is using the hue selection, which is also what I did in that old video. Now if you don't have the hue selection, I'm going to put something in the description, either a link to a video or some kind of a guide of how to install this plugin. Once you have it, we need to make a selection first using the free select tool. So this is, guys, the big problem here. So just click with the left mouse button, hold, or you can release and just make these selections like this. And then to close the selection, just click on the starting point, then go to filters, enhance, hue selection, and the dialog should show up. And now I usually use the defaults. You can of course experiment with these. Click OK, and let's see what this is going to do. Control Shift A to remove the selection, and it did a pretty good job. I mean, because we know it was there, we are kind of seeing the imperfections here, but it did a pretty good job. You can do the same with the rest of the stuff. Control F will repeat the filter, so check this out here. Repeat hue selection, Control F. You can either use this option from here, Control Shift A again to deselect, or go to select none. And let's just do this with these here too. Make a selection, Control F, make a selection, Control F, Control Shift A to deselect. And you see a pretty good result, very fast and easy. It's very similar to the Google Magic Eraser tool because it works automatically. Now let's go ahead and undo all of this to show you another method of how to do this. With Control Z and did everything, and let's go to the clone tool here. So this is another way to do this. Go to the clone tool. Let me actually reset the two options if I have changed some stuff before. So by default, this is the options we have. I try to use somewhat fuzzy brush, so get down here in the brushes and select a little bit of a fuzzy brush that has some blurriness to it. Don't select something like this. This is not going to work well with this tool. This brush, or even maybe this one. This one is in the middle. Let's use it. Zoom in, holding down the control key, turning the mouse wheel forward again, and maybe increase the size just a little bit. And now hold down the control key and click around here. This will sort of anchor this tool here, and now we're going to be just taking stuff from here and pasting it here. So now with the left mouse button, click and hold and paint over this guy like this. Okay, so here didn't work very well, so what we will do is we'll take a new selection, hold down the control key here, release, and now let's paint over here. And we can do this a few times until we're happy with what we are seeing. Let's undo, actually try to get it from further away. Okay, yeah, this looks much better. Here I see something that I don't like, is this seems to be repeating itself. You can see these two places here. I'm just gonna grab a little information from here and do something like this to mix it up. Now you can see the result. It's pretty good. If you have never seen the original image, I'll doubt that you know that there was someone here. Let's go here and reduce the size of the brush. You can do this by using the bracket keys, or you can use it from here and paint over this, mix it up a little bit. Okay, here doing the same thing. This one was easy. This one was easy as well. Go to the move tool and let's see the image now. Looks pretty good. Here maybe because we know there was a person, we see a little bit of a shadowing, but that also continues over here, so it works well with the image. I don't think anybody is going to notice anything here. It looks pretty good. So these are two ways to quickly remove people, especially if you're on the beach. If you want to take a good photograph, there's always someone there to ruin your photograph. So a quick way to solve this in GIMP. So that's it guys for this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, like it, leave me a comment, and if you're new, subscribe, visit the channel for much more. Support the channel by signing up for the Patreon. Also, I have activated the channel membership. You can sign up for that if you want to. Also, you can use the thanks button, all different ways to support the channel. And that's it guys for this one. I'll see you in the next one, and bye for now.